Ever wondered if that carnival game is rigged or if a lottery ticket is a bad bet? The answers aren't just about luck, they're about the mathematics of discrete probability. Let's start with a simple idea, a discrete random variable. The word discrete just means countable. Think about the number of goals in a soccer match, 0, 1, 2. You can count them. You can't score 2.5 goals. That's different from something like your height, which is continuous and can be any value in a range. If you can list the possible outcomes, it's discrete. Now, every possible outcome has a probability attached to it. When you list all outcomes and their chances, you get a probability distribution. For a fair six-sided die, the outcomes are 1 through 6, and each has a 1 in 6 chance. The golden rule here is that all those probabilities must add up to exactly 1, representing 100% certainty that something will happen. This is where it gets powerful. The expected value tells you the long-run average. Imagine a game where you win $5 for rolling a 6 and $2 for a 4 or a 5. You won't win $5 every time. But if you play thousands of times, what's your average payout per game? By weighing each prize by its probability, we find the expected value is $1.50. This is the number that casinos and insurance companies build their entire businesses on. But averages don't tell the whole story. Variance measures the spread or the risk. A game with low variance is predictable. Outcomes cluster close to the average. High variance is a roller coaster, big wins and big losses. It's the difference between a steady investment and a volatile stock. So, from flipping a coin to quality control on an assembly line, these tools, discrete variables, distributions, expected value, and variance help us quantify uncertainty. They let us look past random chance to see the predictable patterns hiding just beneath the surface.